Day 54 of every Zoro in a PSA 10, and we're back with 6 packs of OP15. This set has been giving us hit after hit, just not the hit we want. Let's see if we can pull that all new Zoro. Super! Oh my goodness, we've done it again, another alt leader. What's it gonna be this time? Luffy, come on Luffy, come on! And could you believe it, we got the Lucy. We were so close, but regardless, this is an awesome pull. And I think OP15 might just be our set. Let's see what else we can find. We didn't hit the Zoro, but again, we got an elite pull. That's all from me. Happy hunting.